Hey, this is Gordon with the YouTube channel. This is how I did it. Hey, whenever you're watching, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We just thank you for watching. In this video today, I'm going to kind of try to explain a little issue I have with these panels. And it's not really an issue, it's just the way they work. It's the way the mathematical physics works. I have 30 panels up here on this roof. I have 32. I bought 32. But with these 30 panels, I have them broken down into 4 groups of, so basically, let me start here. I have these 4 panels here, and these 4 panels are wired in series. So, you know, hot to negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. And then that line runs all the way down there to the combiner box, okay? And they're both set up to the same combiner box, which gives me 185 volts. And about 4,400 watts per group. The second group is the same way. It works great. The third group, down here, these last 6, it's not a complete group, it's only 6. Now, so the first 4 are wired same way, in series, and then they go up to the combiner box. Those last 2 right there, on this lower level, are wired in series and go to the combiner box, okay? So the problem with that is it only gives me about 95 volts and half of the wattage of 8. Although there's 6 of them here, it only gives me half the wattage just because of the voltage. So my charge controllers can handle 250 volts. But if I hook all of these up in series in one, in one group, then I have like 280 volts, I think, which is too much. The charge controller kicks off, says too much voltage. So I can't do it. So it has to be wired in double combiners, okay? Now, the only way I could fix this would be to hook up 2 more panels, which I could do, I guess, over here on, this side of the roof gets morning sun, and then this side of the roof gets evening sun. So I don't know. That would get my voltages up to 185 when you set the 2 of them up in a parallel. So I'd hook up these 4 here in series, and those last 2 hook them up in series and run another line over here and hook them up over here in series. Okay. The reason why this is an issue for me is these 6 panels produce almost half of what these 8 panels, like those 8 panels right there, those 6 produce half. So I'm basically wasting 2 panels here, but it's all about keeping the voltages up. If I actually undid, I wonder if I actually undid 2 of those panels there on the end, just turn them off, if that would, it would definitely increase my voltage, but would it actually probably, it might actually up my wattage. See, let's try that. Let's just go here to the combiner box. We'll pop the fuse out, so those last 2 are dead. We'll go down and check to see what that does. For experimental purpose, I'm just going to pop that fuse out like that right there. Then we'll close this back up and go down and check it. That's basically killing the feed of these 2 end pieces. So let's go down and check it. Alright guys, so undoing that up there, it basically brought my voltage up. It doubled my voltage. So here's what, this one over here has 8 panels on it, and this one has 4 panels. And obviously the 4 panels are just straight to it. They're wired in series and then straight to this combiner box. And this one, we have 8 panels, 4 of them wired in series, 2 sets of 4 wired in series, and then combined together in parallel in the combiner box to keep my voltages up, right? But as soon as I look at my wattage, my amperage and stuff, so that one has 17 amps and almost 1,000 watts. It's early in the morning, so they're not producing too much. This one has 7 amps and 419 watts, which, that's 4 panels, that's 8 panels. So I'm doing that fuse on those 2 panels up there that we were questioning. It doubled our voltage, because they're not, the combiner box is going to cut your voltage in half when you start combining panels. So we did that, but it basically, I think it actually took a little bit of wattage away from what we had. Because we're not, it's about half. It's a little bit less than half. So in doing that, I only saved I lost 50 watts, I think, and gained double the voltage, which isn't really helping me at all. So, yeah, that's like what's, you know, mathematically, that's what the combiner box is built for, to do. So I guess we will plug that fuse back in, and I'm gonna have to just add on 2 more panels up there on the roof. I'll catch morning sun or evening sun. I don't know which is best. Catch evening sun, because like I said, that sun goes behind those trees about 4:30, 5 o'clock. Morning sun, you know, they'll be warmer, so it'll probably do better to put them in the afternoon where the panels are already warm and get what you can out of them, I guess, other than on the other side of the garage in the morning sun. Anyway, guys, give us a thumbs up, hit the like button. Have a great day.